Good morning, class. Today we're going to do lesson number 12, and we're going to cover chapter 2.6, which is determining the best buy. And this is going to be part one of two parts on chapter 2.6. So I thought before we kind of jump into looking at what is the best buy, I thought we'd go back and go through problem 1C with everybody. Because it is a bit of a challenging problem, and there's a couple ways to do it, so I want to make sure that we're doing it um, I won't say the right way, but I want to make sure that you know how to do it the way I'm going to do it, just 'cause I think it shows the clearest math. So there's definitely other ways to do it, and they're not wrong, but this method just shows the math clearest. So I'm going to go through it with some kind of stopping points, and we'll discuss it, and then I'll show you kind of the quick version of what I did. So question 1C from last class's homework on page 159. The goal is to find the price per 100 grams for pecans that cost $23.90, so $23.90 per kilogram. And we want to figure out the price, the unit price per 100 grams. So the first thing we want to do is translate the words per kilogram into some math. So this is going to be $23.90 per kilogram, so that's going to be divided by 1 kilogram. And we want to find the price per 100 grams. So the first thing we want to do is we want to get our units to be the same. So initially we have price per kilogram and we want it to be price per gram. So let's convert our kilograms to grams. So we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 100 grams. So we can just replace the 1 kilo with 100 grams. So this is going to be $23.90 divided by 100 grams. Now what we can do is we can actually do the division. So the grams are going to be the unit, but we have a number 1,000. Just like when we have 23.9, the unit is price, but we still have that value 23.9. So we can actually do the division of 23.9 divided by 1,000. And that's going to give us 0.0239 divided by 1 gram. So that unit 1 gram stays, but that 1,000, we divide it by the 23.9, so the 1,000s is gone. So this is going to be 2.4 cents per gram. So now what we can do to get to our unit price per 100 grams, we can multiply by 100 on the bottom and the top. Now, we are allowed to do this because we're going to multiply by 1. So if we multiply to the bottom by 100 and we don't do anything to the top, we're going to get like 2.4 cents per 100 grams, which is not correct. That's a different value than the 2.4 cents per 1 gram. So we can multiply the the 2.4 cents per gram by 1. It doesn't change it. You can multiply by 1 and still get the same value. So we can multiply by 1 as many times as we want, and however we want, as long as it's 1. So what we do is we have 100 divided by 100, and that equals 1. So we're going to multiply our 0.0239 divided by 1 gram by 100 over 100, which is multiplied by 1. This will give us the top value multiplied by 100 and the bottom value multiplied by 100. So this gives us $2.39 per 100 grams. So this is the number that we're looking for. So that's the equation, that's the question right there, solved. Now, to do it maybe without words, so it's a bit simpler, we convert to 1,000 grams. Now we're going to do our division, so we get it to our base unit of 1 gram. And then we're going to multiply by a number that we want, how many grams we want in our unit price. So it's going to be 100, multiply the top and the bottom. Again, this is just multiplying by 1, which we're allowed to do. And we get our final answer. So it can be as simple as that. I just showed you the longer version, just so you kind of got a sense of what we're doing. Okay, so we're going to do this some more. This is kind of just the first time we're seeing it. So we're going to keep practicing this. So if it's still a bit confusing, don't worry, we're going to spend some more time on it.